Ta-da! Alright, there's a bug blown up to a pretty large size. So now we'll use our pencil and squiggle to trace it out. Alright, the bug is all stenciled out. Let's see if we have any regrets about this project. So now we're gonna do the boring task of screwing this whole thing together with these little screws. And so this way we know also where the wheels are, because this part is going to be gone through the center. You can see where I marked it. This will be gone, so this way will be more 3D. But I want to record it. It's pretty boring. I'll just show you finished work before we slice it all apart and make it into a Harlequin.
One eternity later.
Hopefully didn't miss any, but there's quite a few screws holding all the individual parts together. So now let's unscrew it all, go cut it up, and see if we can make it work. Alright, let's try not to screw up any lines. I realized that this is particle board, which I've never dealt before with as far as from my supplier guy. I always get plywood. And so I'm cutting Herbie here and I'm having no issues and whatnot, but somehow I didn't even notice. And you can see like the corners snapped a little bit on this. But the front snapped. And I tried to copy it with a pencil every which way, and it was difficult, so I went ahead and spray painted it, because this way the lines are real crisp and clean. And this will be my third attempt trying to replicate this piece, and I'm not having a good time. So fingers crossed this will work, and I can move on to painting, sanding and painting. It's all done. That took an obscene amount of time to fix, way too long, but it is done now. So back to taking it apart. And we can paint everything. Ay, ay, ay. I really need to buy some more silver paint. I'm like scraping at the bottom of the barrel over there. Added a little water. Get it a little bit flowing, but let's see if we can do that trim. Ta-da! Alright, here we go, the Harlequin Volkswagen Bug. Came out sick. I put it against the Montero for size comparison, but it looks so tiny for some reason. Meanwhile, I mean, look at this thing. It's almost 5 foot long. I mean, it's like, what's it, 56, 57 inches long. Came out really neat. I really like it. I used quite a bit of marker. I do gotta figure out how to keep my hand more steady when I'm using the marker to do the long lines. But the hubcaps are nice. I did the little logos in them. Little blue metallic paint for the headlight. Super sick. Of course, it's got hanger on the back, about 1,000,000 screws, little foot pads to keep it off the wall. You can see it on the very bottom there, and we got the hook. So there you go, Harlequin Volkswagen, and then I'm shooting more video for more Volkswagen pieces and Urbies somewhere over there. But anyways, great success, and I'll see you guys next time.